Welcome to 124 Tyler Road. This charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath home with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, and fully updated interior. It's located near Downtown Orangeburg, convenient to I-26. So we're out front. You can see there you have a nice sized front yard here. There's a 1-car garage, no door, I do not believe, and there may be one, but at least it's not pulled down. But you can see sort of inside here, you do have good space. Yeah, so no door inside, but you do have good space for parking one vehicle inside of there. Covered front porch out front of the home as well. And then you enter right through the front here. Open floor plan, living room and kitchen. See nice laminate or vinyl hardwood plank flooring throughout the living area. Recessed lighting in this area as well. There's an attic pull down in here with some storage above. Nice paint colors inside as well. You have beautiful kitchen with the sort of black satin stainless steel refrigerator and stainless steel dishwasher, smooth top electric range, and above range microwave. New cabinets and granite countertops as well. And then the kitchen here also on this just on this corner you have sort of a butcher block countertop there, but then open to the laundry room and access to the backyard. So you have a shelf here above the full-size washer and dryer connections. Looks like a tankless water heater there as well. And then access to the backyard. Not a fully fenced backyard, but you do have some wood fencing at the rear there and sort of a little bit of a wooded area there to give you a bit of a buffer. But nice sized backyard here, as you can see. And then you can access what basically is sort of the master bath or the full bathroom in the home. So it is accessible from this laundry area or access to the back. So great for guests, but you do have an updated vanity solid surface countertops in there. And then the mirror sort of mounted on the side, but you do have a nice sized window here. Beautiful tile in the shower and tub. And if you can notice there, that is a very nice and deep tub. And then updated fixtures there as well. Looks like a rain shower head. And again, the paint scheme with the darker gray on the doors and trim, contrasting with the sort of lighter gray on the walls. And then this is what would be, I guess, the master bedroom. You can see that bathroom does connect, but you do have a ceiling fan in here. And then window out to the side, closet as well. And this is a walk-in. Actually, I'll see if I can get some light on in here for you. There you go. So decent size walk-in closet there with a rack against the back. And then back out into the living room. Off of there you have the second bedroom in the home. And actually, again, I do apologize. So 2 bedrooms actually in this home, as well as 2 baths. I did say 1 bath before. We do have a full bathroom in here as well. So again, the ceiling fan in here, larger bedroom. This one basically is right off the front of the house on the porch. So I guess this is actually what will be the true master in the home, but both bedrooms do have access to a bath. Just that second one at the back that we just looked at does also have the access to the laundry room for guests as well. So a single vanity in here as well. Very similar finishes to the other bath. You do have the rain shower head in here also, and the same nice deep tub that's been updated, and mirror, flooring, and other fixtures as well. So that does complete our tour of this home, 124 Tyler Road in Orangeburg. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.